The reason I make these packs is because I understand how hard it is to find high quality effects online, and you end up wasting so much time only to get poor quality assets. I spend a lot of time finding the absolute best particle effects so you don't have to. The versatility of this pack is insane. You can use it on gaming thumbnails, social media graphics, banners, even edits. It's so easy to use this pack that even beginners can do it. This pack is beyond easy to use. All you have to do once you download it is drag and drop onto your canvas, and then change the blend mode to screen to get rid of the background. And let's say you want to change the color of it, go up to image, adjustments, hue and saturation. Then you can change the color this easy. Now let's say you don't want the character to have particle effects on them. All you have to do is click on that layer, go to add a raster mask, go to your brush tool, choose the color black up here, and brush on the character. This will get rid of everything in that vicinity. Here's how you get the pack. Go down in the description and click on that link, or go to my website and scroll down until you find 70 plus particle pack. Then click get for free. From here, type in how much you want to pay. You could put 0 if you don't want to pay anything, or you can give me a little tip. Then click checkout. Type in your name and email and it will send it to you. Then it should come in a zipped folder. Right click on it and extract all. Then it should become this folder right here that you can open up and see all the effects. My personal favorite effects that I love to use from this pack are this one right here, 27. I know there's a few 27s. 27 number 2. I like these simple ones like this where it's just dots, and also this one as well. Let me know which one's your favorite in the comments and I'll pin the best one. I have even crazier packs coming soon, guys, so if you want to stick around for that, go ahead and subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later. Before you go, don't forget to check out my website for tons of bonus content like my exclusive courses, graphics packs, and socials like my Discord server. If you want to level up your designs even faster, consider joining the CAMBIT Creates channel membership. You'll get access to a folder packed with hundreds of effects, copyright-free music, and more to take your content to the next level. Hit that join button or check the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Keep creating.